Welcome to Intermediate 1. My name is Angela Peña and I'm going to be your teacher during this term. This level, as all the other ones, includes an only English policy. That means you cannot use Spanish for completing your assignments, sending messages through the Telegram group, or interacting in our synchronous classes. We're going to be meeting twice a week, that's 5 hours. One day is 4 hour synchronous class in which we are going to discuss the topics, share ideas, interact, etc. And on the other one, the synchronous class in which you are going to be completing production activities on your own. The content that you will see is based on the last 8 units of the Interchange 2 book. That's the blue one. And regarding the attendance, it will be taken into account as you work on the assignments on the asynchronous class and as you attend the synchronous classes. Last but not least is our students contract that you will find on your Google Classroom, and as a Google form you have to read and fill. Some of the assignments that you will see during this term will include writing activities, speaking production, listening exercises, reading exercises, quizzes that will be every 2 units, practices, conversations, and team activities. These two ones are going to be happening during our synchronous classes most of the time. According to the grading system for the English department at Esferazu, your evaluation is as follows. First, we have the midterm exam. During the semester, you will have to take different quizzes, which grades will be summed and will be representing 100 points. Then we have the final exam, which is taken at the end of the semester and represents 100 points. These two sections will be representing 40% of your final grade. Then we have the other two evaluations, the oral and the written one, which are 100 points each. The oral represents 20% and the written 10. By now, if you have gotten all of the points in these 4 sections, you will have 70% of your final grade secured. Finally, we have the homework section and the participation section, each of them of 100 points. So the homework and participation will be based on the assignments that you get in the synchronous and asynchronous class, if you participate and how well you do it, etc. Each of them will sum 30% of your grade, and all of the sections together will be 100% if you get all the points from each one of these segments of the evaluation. To get the points for the 2 last sections of the evaluation, you will have to complete different assignments. During the synchronous class, you will have to do these assignments during the moment of interaction. On the other hand, on the asynchronous class, you will have to complete the assignments, and those have to be delivered before our next asynchronous class. All of the assignments and productions must be original and include all of the characteristics that are pointed out on the assignment prompt. In case of copying a partner or sending work that is not yours, you will have to repeat the assignment with less points. Some of the apps and web platforms that we are going to be using this term are Book Widgets, Edpuzzle, Fantastic, Kahoot, Quizzes, Padlet, and Zoom. Thank you very much for getting to this part of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my email account. Had fun learning, and thanks for your attention.